Proper maintenance of your windows is a vital part of maintaining the long-term value of your home. We recommend that you take a quick walk around your house every 30 days and inspect your windows. Cracking in the caulk is normal around windows over time. It's important that you maintain the cracks along your windows to avoid water intrusion. It's recommended that you use a weatherproofing caulk for proper sealing from the elements. To perform this function, remove all existing caulk with a non-abrasive scraper and clean the area where the new caulk is going to be applied. Remember to cut the nozzle tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle and create as small of a hole as possible. This will prevent excess waste of material. Apply the caulk at a 45-degree angle in a steady and consistent manner. This will help prevent, again, the excessive use of materials. Smooth out the applied caulk with your finger to ensure a consistent application. It helps to make sure your finger is wet when doing this. Clean the excess caulk with a damp sponge and allow 24 hours for the caulk to cure.